In the DigiSigns Dashboard, if you want to group your existing screens, go to the Screens section and then open the Group tab. Click on the Add Group button. Next, name your group. For example, we want to group our Lucknow screens to play the same content. We'll name the group Lucknow and select Screen 1 and Screen 3. You can also add a subgroup if needed and include a description. Here, we'll write for Lucknow screens only, and then press Add. As you can see, the group is now created. If we want to play the same content across multiple screens, for example Screen 1 and Screen 3, they're now part of the Lucknow group. To publish content, click on the Publish Content button, select Playlist 3, and publish it. Playlist 3 will now play on both Screen 1 and Screen 3 simultaneously. That's how simple it is to group screens and manage synchronized content playback in the DigiSigns Dashboard.